tens of millions in the West in the next year or two are going to have their jobs completely replaced by AI. Tens of millions in the West in the next year or two are going to have their jobs completely replaced by AI. Their value to the economic machine is about to be rendered completely obsolete. And we're not ready for this, because what's going to happen to all those people? They still have families to provide for, they still have bills to pay, they still have mortgages to support, and they still have a need for financial resources in their life. And so companies are going to do what companies do, which is seek efficiency and seek growth. Seek the highest margins with the least amount of labor possible. And so what's going to happen? All these people, tens of millions of people, are left with no job.